Sun, sand and blue water. What a beautiful day for exercise. Today I'm doing lateral arm raises and you're going to need some light weights. I have these 2 kilo ankle weights, but you can use water bottles, bags of rice or whatever you may have around the house. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, flex your knees slightly and keeping your arms outstretched, slowly raise your arms up to shoulder height. This exercise is great for your deltoid and trapezius muscles. Do 10 lifts, rest for 10 seconds and keep going until your 10 minutes is up. There's a specific reason why this time frame works. If you find it too hard to make it to 10 minutes with weights, start without weights and build from there. So that's it, 10 minutes and you're done. To learn why this program is effective for weight loss, grab a copy of my book in the link below. See you next week.